Hey guys, my name is Nick Vaughn. I am here with Trail Runner at Heartland RV, and today we are going to go over the brand new 2023 30RBK floor plan. I think there's going to be some features that you're really going to want to check out. One of the first features that I would like to point out that's new for 2023 is the Volt Unified Color-Coded Wiring System, where now all of your wiring will meet in one place. So now troubleshooting, add-ons, maintenance after the fact is now even easier for you guys to do. It now provides color-specific wiring for each individual function of that wire. One of the other major things that we like to provide here at Trail Runner is the most convenient camping experience possible for you guys. So we include a full power package standard on every Trail Runner floor plan, which will have a power tongue jack, power stabilizer jacks front and rear, as well as a power rack and pinion slide out and power awning. Now, to get on the subject of storage, here at Trail Runner, we provide 57 cubic feet of fully finished front pass-through storage on every Trail Runner floor plan. You'll also notice the magnet catches for the doors and your LED lighting, so you can always see all of the gear that you're getting out of your coach. You'll also notice in your front pass-through storage where we put the inverter prep, solar controller prep, and the tire pressure monitoring system prep. Taking a look at the camping side of your Trail Runner, you will notice the upgraded solid step. So you now have a much stronger and more secure way to step up into your coach. Accompanied by an XL grab handle, you now have the easiest way to hop in and out of that coach. Whether you're cruising down the road or you're parked at your campsite, you always want your coach to stand out. That's why we at Heartland provide you with beautiful accent lightings in your awning and in your Bluetooth exterior speakers. We also will provide you with steel wheels, radial tires, and molded fender skirts. On the 30RBK floor plan, we also provide you with an outdoor kitchen. So at Heartland, we're doing a griddle, Suburban Elite Series griddle, as opposed to a 2-burner stovetop. It's much more versatile, and you're able to utilize it a lot better than this 2-burner stovetop. You'll also get an exterior mini fridge in that outdoor kitchen. As we walk into the 30RBK floor plan, or any Trail Runner floor plan, you'll notice that we provide a very updated and modern feel to an entry-level price-pointed coach. The other big thing that you'll notice is the amount of space in here. We're in an 8-foot wide coach, as well as 6'8" ceiling height. You can see the major benefits of our rack and pinion slide system with the flush slide floor, 5'10" slide height, as well as a 40-inch slide box depth. On the topic of comfort and just overall availability of seating inside these Trail Runners, let's first start with the massive U-shaped booth dinette that we provide in this 30RBK floor plan, where you're fitting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 6 people comfortably. Not only do you have the comfort to entertain your family here, but you also have the ability to create another big sleeping space for up to 2 people. In the 30RBK, you'll see what looks like just your basic love seat. However, it will actually double as a full-size pull-out bed for those grandkids, kids, or whatever guests you may be traveling with. It's one of the easier pull-out beds to operate. You'll notice I took the top cushions off, pop both legs out like that, pull the entire piece out carefully, set it down gently on your flooring. You'll then pull the back side of the couch over to create that last part of the bed. One thing that I really enjoy doing when I go out to camp, guys, is whipping up a meal just like I cooked it at home. Here at Heartland, we provide you with an ample amount of upgraded pressed countertop space, double bowl stainless steel sink with high-rise faucets. You also will get the brand new industry first air fryer oven. This is a Heartland exclusive. You'll also get the upgraded new black glass dual opening refrigerator, 10.7 cubic feet from stop to start, about 45 minutes to completely cool this entire thing. I'd also like to show you guys the amount of space and the amount of cabinet space that we put in our Trail Runners. Massive pantries for your kitchen, so you bring all your food supplies, all your cooking stuff with you. Another big one, Seems small, but we provide you with a place to toss your trash can. Now, let's take a look at what I consider one of the most versatile bunk rooms that we provide in the Trail Runner lineup. You'll first see, as we make our way to the back of the coach, the true pocket door that we have that's going to separate this bunk area from the living area. So what that means is mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, whoever it is, once they've had enough playing with the kids or hanging with them, they can then retire to the living area or their bedroom back there comfortably. We also provide big closet space, additional drawers for games, for socks, for underwear, for whatever those kids are bringing with them, extra clothes and gear, whatever it may be. Now that we're actually back here in the bunk room, guys, the first couple of things that I'd like to point out is the huge L-shaped top bunk. So we're fitting 2 kids up there. We have your second lower bunk down below, so that's a 3rd kid. And then we're also going to provide a mini booth dinette back here, which kids love. They can play their games, play with their tablets, draw, color, whatever they like to do. But that can also second as an additional bed. Now, this room isn't just a bunk room, guys. It can double as, let's say, a home office, or if you're somebody who travels with another couple or travels with other people, this can be a true second bedroom for those guests or for your home office, whatever it may be. The other last thing I'd like to point out, guys, is the entertainment system that we put back here. So we provide a additional TV backer, place to put your game consoles, DVDs, whatever it is that those kids like to bring with them. We now have the master suite. First thing to take notice of is the true residential 60 by 80 queen size mattress. So if you have a queen size mattress at home, the sheets you have on that bed will fit this mattress as well. So we're making your lives extremely easy that way. Other things to take notice of: XL wardrobes, overhead shelving space, and cubby holes on each side to provide access for a sleep apnea machine, as well as we have USB charging outlets throughout the entire master suite and coach. Thanks for watching the 30RBK Trail Runner walk around video, guys. If there's any other additional information that you would like to know, please visit heartlandrvs.com.